The 2018 Lexus LX 572 starts at $85,380. That makes it $5,000 cheaper than the 3-row model, and just over $1,000 more expensive than the Toyota Land Cruiser on which it's based. Compared to the 3-row competition, though, the all-wheel drive Infiniti QX80 can be had for just $67,850. The Mercedes-Benz GLS asks $69,550, and even the cheapest Lincoln Navigator starts at $72,055, making the LX considerably more expensive. Still, the Lexus LX 2-row has plenty to recommend it. The spacious cargo area is a first-rate option for those with a lot of things to move, and not a lot of people. And with a powerful V8 and a comfortable ride, it's an enjoyable option for a long road trip. If you can swallow the $85,000 asking price, and are willing to overlook some of its more modern competitors, the LX 2-door is a competent, capable vehicle in its class.